First at 6, they're peddling bogus cures on desperate cancer patients, and the FDA has ordered the 14 companies behind it to stop or face criminal prosecution. Dave Delogier's been looking into it, and he joins us now with more. Dave?
Yeah, Eric, you know, in the words of the FDA, these companies have been exploiting the fears of patients, peddling untested and potentially dangerous products. And in selling hope in a bottle, it prevents cancer patients from receiving the clinically proven treatments. In the research labs at the Carbone Cancer Center, they know how long the road to a cure is.
It takes millions of dollars and years.
To get a cancer treatment to patients requires testing and multiple clinical trials for a very good reason.
Why we do that is to ensure that what we're doing is safe and we know why it works at all.
That research has dramatically changed cancer treatments in the last decade, improving patient outcomes. But still, when a patient receives a cancer diagnosis, the reaction is predictable.
They are at their most vulnerable because they've just learned that their life is shorter than they want it to be. And that triggers a very powerful instinct to do whatever they can to find a better answer.
And on the internet, there are no shortage of companies selling hope in a bottle.
Every day in clinic, someone wants to know about something that a friend printed out for them off of the internet or they found themselves. And it's incumbent upon us as physicians to look at each of those things and say, it's probably not real.
And now the FDA is doing just that. They have sent warning letters to 14 companies they say are selling bogus cancer cures. Some have ads that claim to treat everything from cold sores to breast cancer. The FDA is giving the companies 15 days to come into compliance with the law. And beyond making bogus claims, the products can harm patients.
I've seen patients who have been indirectly harmed in the sense that we had a chance to give them effective therapies, but because they made different choices, their cancer has progressed in ways that maybe we could have slowed down or prevented.
The research being done at the Carbone Cancer Center is improving cancer treatments, and it will continue to do so. But when it comes to companies making claims that seem to be too good to be true,
it's very helpful in my mind to have a direct interface with your doc and say, what do you think of this? And now we have the backing of the FDA to say, this won't work.
now, if those 14 companies don't comply with the law, they could face prison time. And this is not the first time the FDA has sent warning letters to companies making false claims about cancer products. Eric, there is definitely history to this. In the past 10 years, they've sent more than 90 letters about false claims about cancer cures.
All right, it'll be interesting to see where these companies go from here. Dave Delogier's reporting. Dave, thank you very much.